So today is going to be based on a hair review. This unit is from EVA WIGS. So this wig unit is a 14-inch unit. It is the number 3 T613 and the hair density is 150%. It's virgin human hair. The cap construction is 4 inches deep, parting glueless lace front cap. The cap size is average. And I showed you how I kind of curled it. I also had this unit on in my previous video. I think it was 2 videos ago. I had this on. I had it a little bit more curled. So I just have on a boyfriend tee and I have on some hoop earrings. And I love this wig because it just gives you that pop. I feel like any type of color units give you that extra pop you need, even when you're wearing a normal basic outfit. This unit is 10 out of 10. I've had it for a while now. The parting is good. The hair is very flowy. It does what you need it to do. So I also showed you a little bit how I put it on. So I used the Got To Be glue, and I also use my Remington flat irons. I also use wand curls for bigger curls for more of a wavy look, but this time I just wanted something simple. This is such a classy wig to me. It's so classy. I love the fact that you can just put it behind your ears and it just looks so good. You can also, if you want, put it up in a ponytail, pin it back, or you can just let it hang like I'm doing. I really like it to just hang, but I also like to have one side behind the ear so you can just see how it flows. I think that is just so bomb. I always wanted a unit like this because I love the look of it, and I never knew exactly how it looked on me. I love how it looked on everyone else. So it's great that I didn't have to customize it myself. The unit came just like this. The hair is so amazing. I get so many compliments on it when I wear it. Yeah, they definitely did not fail me with this. This is a hot ass wig. So that is all for this wig unit. Please be on the lookout for more of my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the like button. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.